The project that I'm a project advisor on is looking at connected and autonomous vehicles as it relates to wrong-way driving. So how can we tap into this new technology that's coming out with autonomous and connected vehicles to try and prevent wrong-way driving on our highways?
Traditionally, we use a lot of signs and pavement markings to try to tell a wrong-way driver they're going the wrong way, but really that can only do so much. There is still that portion of drivers that are driving the wrong way that will end up on the system. And so we need some way to notify the transportation agency and especially law enforcement so that we can get that person stopped safely. In the first phase of this project, we talked to some traffic management agencies within TxDOT. We talked to law enforcement, and then we also tried to think about the right-way driver and what they would need from such a system. We then turned those user needs into functional requirements and then started to develop a high-level system design for what a connected vehicle system could do to detect and notify others of a wrong-way driver.
They would probably look into buying similar equipment to what the manufacturers are looking to put into newer model cars in the coming years and put that in a car and up at the Relish campus up there at TTI in College Station to use that equipment in a car, drive it around the test track and test the theory of connected vehicles and wrong-way driving.
As part of phase 2, in the next 6 months to a year, we're going to be building this testbed system at the Texas A&M University Relish campus. We'll then be able to show how all the components work together and the functionality of the system. The next phase then is the hopes that the Texas Department of Transportation will fund phase 3, which will actually include deployment at a field location in Texas. What TxDOT really wants to get to using connected vehicles is to reduce that time of response so that when we know a car comes on and they're heading the wrong way on a freeway, we can get to them faster. We can notify the right-way drivers faster through these CV messages that would come about or through traditional measures as well, still using things like dynamic message signs. So they're just looking to further methods that can notify both themselves and law enforcement and those right-way drivers in a more timely manner, because the more information we can get out there, hopefully we can circumvent that crash.
I don't even know what the technology is going to look like 10 years from now, but I know that there will probably be something that we, TxDOT or other DOTs or cities will be able to use with connected vehicle technology that will be a tremendous help to the wrong-way driving problem and for other problems on the roadway.